continue. Similarly, with regard to the true comprehension of God, for a soul to grasp the truth of his being in a manner that clearly distinguishes him from all the other types of existence, until his existence will be permanently fixed in his soul in the manner different from other entities. This is impossible for a mortal. Okay. Moshe, however, very nearly comprehended this. This is alluded in a verse, and you will see my back. I will explain this concept in full of Book of Prophecy. Book of Prophecy, the notes at the conclusion, chapter 1. Okay. Books of Prophecy. Okay, we'll see. I'm not sure what book he's referring to here. Okay. So let's do this paragraph again, and we're going to explain. So it says, similarly with regard to the true comprehension of God, a true comprehension of why he's doing this and not that. And sometimes it's like you see, somebody is like waiting like for salvation for such a long time, and person you see going through all the tribulation, and you see HaShem, please, this person wants to be close to you, please help him. Please help her, and sometimes people can get frustrated, right? That's a comprehension of God. Right? For the soul to grasp the truth of his being, so why exactly he's doing whatever he's doing, right? So as we said on this example with this lady and then the wallet, so it's impossible. So you all of these events that took place through the long period of time. So it's what are the chances that any human being can figure out that put all of the dots together? Okay. Afterwards, yes. So that's what it means, as Rashi explained on that pasuk, to see God from his back. So after it's all passed, so you see, oh, that's what happened to me. It's specifically in that time, because you know why, and then you try and start you rewind and see how it's all connected, right? So that means to see Hashem from his back, but not his face. Not face meaning why he's doing whatever he's doing right now. So one more time, the whole sentence. For a soul to grasp the truth of his being in a manner that clearly distinguishes him from other types of existence, until his existence will be permanently fixed in his soul in a manner different from all other entities. This is impossible for the mortal. Okay, so that's very clear. Okay. Moshe, however, very nearly comprehended this. So Moshe, of course, on his level of holiness, so he was able, and he separated from all of the materials, as Torah said that he was 40 days and 40 nights on the Mount Sinai, and he did not drink, he did not eat, he did not sleep, right? All of these 40 days. So he was very nearly comprehended this. Okay. This is alluded in a verse, and you will see my back. Okay, you will see my back. I will explain this concept full in the Book of Prophecy. So one time, see the notes, conclusion, chapter 1. Let me see quickly what it says in notes of chapter 1. Oh, yeah, okay. This is Hilchas Yesodei HaTorah. So that's a chapter that we skipped, and it speaks about prophecy, about all of these angels and how the world operates. I mean, it's very high level, and it's not. So for now we skip that class. I understand what he's talking about. And yes, he's talking about prophecy, how it works, how do we know what is the halacha, how do we know it's a true prophet, not true prophet, and all of this. Very interesting thing.